Hello, sixth graders. So I'm going to go over the topic 15 project. You are going to start this project tomorrow on Tuesday, and this project is going to be due by Friday, May 1st. So this Friday. All right. So if you notice these are the same Google Sheets pages that you guys answered on Friday. But what I did is color coded them so that it's really easy to see that with this statistical question, that person is going to use this data. For this statistical question, that person is going to use this data, and so on. I did the same thing for second period as well. Make sure if you haven't answered your statistical questions yet or your classmate statistical questions, please do that so that they can be included in your classmates' data. All right. What I am also sharing with you tomorrow is the sixth grade statistics project template. So you can use this PowerPoint as a template and kind of use it and edit it as you would like to do. Okay. Anything in red is something that needs to be edited because obviously you do not have the same statistical question as me. Obviously, you do not have the same name as me, and so on. So I'm going to go through this PowerPoint with you. All right. So it starts out with the title. Then you say my class data. Again, you're going to have a different set of class data. Anything in black you can keep if you like. Okay. You'll have your statistical question right here. And then anything in blue is not going to be in the actual PowerPoint when I share it to you, because I want you to tell me, well, what is the definition of a statistical question? The next one is about range. And I just wrote right here that a high range equals the data is very spread apart. A low range is it's close together. So my range was 29, which you'll edit to your range. To get the range, you subtract the highest value and the lowest value. This isn't going to be on your PowerPoint when I share it. So I want you to write the definition of range. And then I just kind of showed what did I subtract. And then what does the range tell you about your data? Meaning, is your data very far apart or is it close together? Well, 29, that means my data is pretty far apart. The mode, my mode was 8. It's the value that occurs most often. And then the mode tells me that the most amount of people have 8 cousins. The median is 8 as well. To get the median, I ordered my data from least to greatest and found the data value in the middle. I had 2 8s in the middle, so the average of 2 8s is 8. Remember when you're finding the median, if there's 2 numbers that are exactly in the middle, you just average them. And the median tells me that the 8 is in the middle of my data, 8 cousins. The next one is mean. I got 9.5, and I added all the data values together and divided by the number of data values I had. Showed my work right here. And you're going to explain what that means. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that the average person has 9.5 cousins. Yes, I got 9.5 as my mean, but you can't have half of a person. Okay, so remember that when you're explaining your mean. If you're dealing with people or dogs or something like that, you can't have half of a dog. So, how I would explain this is that the average person I surveyed has between 9 and 10 cousins. And that's basically the template. Okay, that's really all you're doing, and you're editing it. You can change the background, you can change the font, you can do whatever you want. Once you are done all of your information, okay, you are going to share. And you're going to share it with me so that I can see all of your wonderful work. This is going to be due on Friday, okay? What I'm also going to assign today is a study island. Okay, this study island, mean, median, mode, and range, is going to be all about statistical questions. Okay, and this is also going to be due on Friday, May 5th. Okay, May 1st, I'm sorry. So keep in mind that you have the project due Friday and you also have this study island due Friday. All right, and tomorrow with the project, I'm also going to go over the rubric as well. Okay, and this is the rubric that you are going to be dealing with for this project. Basically, if you follow my template and you do everything you're supposed to do, you will get a 100.